In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to your Cash App account. Open the Cash App on your phone, tap on the second icon at the bottom of the screen, apply for a Cash App card if you haven't already. This is a Visa debit card linked to your Cash App balance. Now, open the PrizePicks app, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Request Withdrawal. On the Request Withdrawal screen, you will see your current balance. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Here it says Withdraw to Card. Enter your Cash App card information like your Visa debit card details. After submitting your card details and the amount, PrizePicks will process the withdrawal. The funds will be sent directly to your Cash App card. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App using your cash card. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.